welcome to yet another lockdown video. Ahead is the main road through the cemetery. On the right hand side, that bit of grey gate is where originally pedestrians used to be able to enter the cemetery after walking through what it was called 7 alleys or the Trod. Now the prison has been built, an extension on the right hand side. There's a Carrion Crow. The reason I stopped was there was a very loud woodpecker drum. Sounded as though it was just beneath these trees here. Looking towards the church. Can't quite see the church because of the growth of the trees. Willow, weeping willow in the centre there. You can see the Leandrias beyond where the caravans are kept. But I think stopping the bike has frightened off the woodpecker. And there's the end of the cemetery, and beyond that is the Hull to Withensea railway line. And that's where in the 70s redpolls used to nest, and they used to fly over the cemetery and the garden. But now, well, it's decades since we've seen redpolls. There was a Blackcap as well, just before the Blackbird started singing. And there's the woodpecker, so I'll just wait and see if it does it again. So it lasts less than a second and it tails off towards the end. And this is something that both genders of great spotted woodpeckers do. We were at Normanby Hall once and we saw a bird drumming, and it was definitely a female bird, so it's not just the males. And that pick pick, that's another call of the woodpecker. So there's 2 woodpeckers because there's one still drumming and there's one calling. They may have a nest back near that where that gate used to be. There's an old ash tree there with many holes in, so that could be where the second bird is calling from. All that noise is coming from the prison. Sounded like a large metal ladder being dragged, and the great spotted woodpecker just drummed again. So I'll wait for it to drum once more. Okay, thanks for watching.